Yo, and hey, check it
bro.
out. I'm right now. Street Life Moto.
Street Life Moto. Bet.
You gonna check it out. Y'all gonna be it because I'm just what I'm talking about right now. I'm saying I feel 99.9% sure had I went to a dealership, I wouldn't know right now I have a gasket leak. Dick, right. That's your boy right there. Your boy TJ with the plug. It's just, yo, you gonna see me on, and I'm gonna be coming back messing with you. What's your name, my G?
Nero.
Tell him Nero. Hey, and tell me your social media.
Nero, at Nero Montana, everything.
Hey, y'all heard him at Nero Montana, Street Life. What the? What's good, Street Life? You already know it's your boy TJ with the plug, or AKA, you already know. No, I ain't going by You wanna call me something? Call me Daddy Plug. I'll be your daddy. Anyway, check game. Yeah, you saw. That wasn't no SRT, that wasn't no Dodge, no Mopar. Yes. Yo, your boy the plug. Let me set up too, I forgot. This stupid. Yo, your boy the plug, look. I'm in a Nissan Altima loaner. I ain't gonna lie, that's why your boy the plug. Yo, I ain't came at y'all. First of all, I wanna thank some of y'all. First of all, let's do this. I wanna thank those who've been watching my spring break Disney Cruise, Street Life Disney Cruise takeover. Check game. I got 2 more banging videos coming out. Check them out. But yo, it's time to get back. Hold on. I did that. Look, I got my mic turned backwards. Y'all hold on 1 second. Yo, all right, check game. Hey, and when I'm gonna check out this video, I'm gonna see how the sound was. But yo, check game. We back in the Street Life. Check game. Yo, my dealership, Dick Poe, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. Yo, check game. Y'all been holding my Go Fast hostage. Yes, they've been. Yo, y'all gonna see in the video. In this video, you gonna see the clips about first when I first took my Go Fast. When I took Red Dragon, when I first took her to get the oil change, and homie said, "Yo, you got a TRANNY leak."
You might have a leak, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, towards the transmission in the back. There was quite a bit of oil back here, look. I kind of wiped it down, but it was kind of hard to get in there.
That'd be would that be a TRANNY leak?
Yeah, like probably somewhere on the gasket towards the back on the driver's side. Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate that. So I'm gonna take it back to the dealership then, because I haven't even paid a payment on it yet. And it's pre-owned, but at the same time, I'm gonna take it back. I appreciate you.
It's probably just a gasket or something like that.
But that's why I'm glad I brought it to you,
Yeah.
because I'm pretty sure if I had to take it to a dealership.
Yeah, because the homie had it. He bought a brand new Journey, and it was leaking like that too. His first oil change, we seen it. He got it covered.
See, but check game though. Had I taken it there though, I would never know.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah,
I'm glad I brought it to you. Already. You see that? Y'all hear that, Street Life? Appreciate you. Man. Yeah, so we definitely might be getting that 2017 Challenger they got over there for 30 because yeah, I ain't gonna put that on now. But yeah, I'm finna holler at, finna call G. We're gonna definitely be over there tomorrow. We're going back to the dealership. Man, but see, man, something told me, appreciate you. But see, that's why it pays to get stuff done professionally, because I was gonna try and do it myself. I might have missed it. And then at the same time, most people say, oh, nah, you wanna get your oil change, all your services where you buy your vehicle. But then, you know, there's no checks and balances. There's a conflict of interest, I guarantee you. I feel 99.9% sure that had I got my oil changed at the dealership, I wouldn't know right now that I got a leak right now in the transmission gasket. Oh, hey, my G, what side am I on? Hey, I told the homies I told them y'all got me right. Y'all got me right, man. Is my head this way?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, sir. I appreciate you. There she go. There go Blanquita. Where I put my keys at? My keys somewhere on me. I got all this stuff in my hand, Street Life. Man, okay, but we know the keys somewhere on me because The door is open. So let's put that there. Let's take this computer bag. Yeah, I'm gonna put this computer bag back here. I still got my credit card in my pocket, in my hand, because you know we gotta keep the money right so it don't get funny. And where did I put that them keys at? So I said I wouldn't. Where I put the keys at? They're somewhere on me because the door open. Man, we done lost the damn keys, Street Life. We got way too much shit going on. Vlogging, talking. Where my damn keys at? They on me, I know, because the car open. But where are they on me? I don't know. That's why you gotta stick to your routine. Man, what the hell? Let's see. The pocket. They not in there. Oh, right here. Put them in the damn bag. Man, I'm about to lock myself out. Y'all see that? Hey, listen. It's hard, man. I'm trying to bring y'all content. Trying to stay focused on the content. Make sure I get some content. Thinking about the shots. Thinking about angles. Making sure I getting the homies information. Make sure I tell y'all like, yo, listen, that's why, you know, again, I didn't go to the dealership because, you know, it could be a conflict of interest. I got the oil change here the first time and everything. Make sure everything's straight. And then look, because again, and also, not sticking to routine. Routine, I always wear my keys around my damn neck. And that's why, so I don't lose them. Man, y'all already know. Ride with your boy Street Life. Hey, Street Life, man. Your boy the plug, man. I'm all over the place right now, but you know, it's nighttime. My cold is getting better. It's nighttime. You know, and then when you get a little chilly too, your mind you want to rush and everything. But yeah, man, hey, Street Life, we straight, man. Hey, we got Red Dragons first. We got her first oil change. So, yay! Success, mission complete. Also found out some, you know, again, it's not good news. Find out there may be a little gasket leak, but it's good news that we did find out. So now, just get ahead of the game. We definitely got to slide over to the dealership tomorrow. Holla at the homie G Dungy. See what they can get done. See what they can have a look at that. Get that fixed, and it should be under warranty. Man, again, good day, success. Hey. Again, the universe and the universe and the car gods, the Street Life car gods are working in your boy TJ with the plug's favor. You already know, Street Life, your boy, the plug. Skirt! Couldn't do nothing. They can't do nothing to the check engine light come on. Hey, y'all, Street Life. Y'all see that? Hey, y'all, Street Life, check game. Yo, remember that TRANNY leak? Yeah, already put it on the machine. Hey, yo, Street Life, we tight. Because nowadays, they don't make these cars so you can service the trailer yourself, the owner. So then, right about time, when it's time for me to get the second oil change and pay my second car note, yo, the check engine light came on. Didn't trip. I knew what it was. Take it to the homie. Y'all gonna see that clip. Look at that shit, Street Life. Hey, Street Life, come on now. I only put I got this car with 35,000 miles on it. No, 32. I'm only at 40. I only put 10,000 miles on the car. Come on, man. Check engine light. Already, y'all, Street Life. But yo, we got that boy Dub for Dub's Garage, aka Street Life Garage. So the homie Dub, go check it out. And it's Dub for aka, we said Wedo. Why it's the aka white boy here in the Southwest, but we call him Dub. So y'all go check out Dub. We got Dub on Dub's Garage. Let's see what we got. tranny. I think it's the tranny. Yo, it says I got it in park. Y'all know I drove here. Look at that shit, Street Life.
It says you have it in park.
It's the tranny. These are all this, and it makes sense. Low transmission fluid, a pylon with the speed sensor. Took it to homie put it on the machine. We did the Google search. Boom, told us what it was. What we knew, tranny. Then took it to get the oil change. Oil change, tried out oil changes.
It's up to you. You want to change it?
No, I'll leave it. I'll leave it like this. Can y'all blow it for me?
Also, here's the list of everything
Okay.
Carfax didn't show much.
First time, yo, shout out Walmart. I'm telling y'all, Walmart does great oil change service and they got the best prices. $62, synthetic oil, everything out the door. Oil change, shout out them, $85. But then, homie, them same thing. Put it on the machine for me. Like I said, came out tranny code. So we knew this. Yo, I told homie that when I took it to him. Yo, they've had my car now for 5 weeks. 5 weeks, Street Life. 5 weeks. Ain't gonna cap. Your boy the plug been mad depressed. Yo, first of all, y'all Mopar. Let me turn his air down a little bit. Yo, now I know how Rudolph feel when he was left out of the reindeer games. Yo, the Mopar, yo, my Mopar boys, Mopar family, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Your boy the plug get no love. Yo, I get no love. They treat me like a JDM, and especially right now with this, I'm looking like a straight not nobody daddy, driving this Nissan Altima. Yo, I don't get no love, no more. Yo, I said, the Go Fast boys, I didn't even realize just the introduction into the Go Fast family. Yo, when you just get a Go Fast, they pull up on you, chunk the deuce. You can pull up on them, talk cars. And I mean, not even just Mopar. I'm talking about Mustang GT Go Fastest. I'm talking about Camaro Vet Go Fastest. Yo, I get the love. Yo, I've literally been treated, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Now I know what FOMO feel like. Your boy got FOMO, no homo on the FOMO. But chat, yo, and yo, Street Life, I think I've been depressed. Your boy ain't been wanting, yo, I haven't been wanting to vlog. I had to put out that dope content from the cruise. But yo, I ain't been wanting to vlog. Yo, not even do my clips. Yo, Street Life, I'm telling you. Yo, when we leave, I got a surprise for y'all. When we leave from where I'm at, I think I'm gonna go shoot up the Hot dealership, shoot up there. But yo, I feel like, yo, they holding my Go Fast hotches. We're gonna go up there and check on Red Dragon, yo. Hey, for sure. Listen, man, because I gotta get it running right, because as fast as I be going all the time.
James Cook running outside right that time, I'll tell you.